everybody, Dizzy Crafter here with another haul. If you've watched my previous haul, you'd have known I've placed an order from Create & Craft for Tonic, and I also placed an order with Tonic themselves. And although the Create & Craft order was placed after this one, that came way in advance of this one. It took quite a while. I'm surprised really, because I always thought Tonic was quite fast, but not in this case. But anyway, without further ado, let's dive into this parcel. There's quite a lot in here, I think, because it's quite a hefty box. Well, I feel like there's two boxes in here actually. So let's dive in and have a look what we've got. So as you can see, we've got some more of these die cut folders as I'm trying to get all my dies organised. Although I thought I did have them organised, but they just got that many now. It's just very difficult with using what I already had, and plus a lot of the dies was bigger, so I thought I got these because these are a lot taller than any other die cutting storage there. So this is the A4 one, although it is bigger than A4. I've got a few of these. So I've got 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm hoping that is all the die storage I need from now on. And then I also got this Life's Journey Simple Layers die set. I have actually got the Life's Journeys mini album, and this is just an extra bit that can go with it, and I'm just hoping it isn't actually the same as what I've got and they've changed the packaging like they did on my previous haul, because that's just annoying when they do that, because you just think you've not got it and then you have. But this is 3940A, I think that is. Oh no, E, sorry, need my glasses on. And then I've purchased this, and I've already got this twice, so honestly I'll probably give this away to somebody. I don't need 3 of them. But this is the 3055E, and this is the Memory Book Essentials Never Stop Dreaming die set, and I must obviously love this one because I keep buying it and thinking I haven't got it, but I have. So I do like it because it's got like your tickets, it's got enjoy the little things, it's got lots of words and stuff in there, so it is a really good die set. And then we've got this Loaded Pockets Beautiful Bobbins, so I thought this would be quite cool to go in some of the mini albums. I don't quite know how I'm going to use it because obviously it's to wrap your ribbon and stuff, but I'm sure I'll find a way of using that. And I don't remember getting this. I think this must have been a freebie. So this is Tonic Studio magazine, and it looks like you've got lots of stuff. So you've got some stamps in here, some dies in here, a stencil and some papers. So that's not bad, is it, for free? I don't remember paying for that. So that's that box done. And in here is nothing exciting, it's just 2 A4 boxes that's actually got Tonic. You just get the, is it Westwood or something like that. So I bought 2 of theirs, and I actually like these ones because they've got like these divots that I can, hopefully they should stack together. Let's get this other one out and check it out. Just make sure they're both facing the same way. I don't think it should matter, but yes, they actually do. They store on, so that's really, really cool. I like that idea. I might end up buying more of them knowing that, because it just saves all that sliding about. It's a really cool idea. So yeah, that was my tiny little haul, although it looked massive to begin with. I hope you've liked it. I'd love it if you please comment, subscribe and give me a big thumbs up, and hopefully I can catch you in another video. See you soon. Bye.